Hi, my name's Ashley, the owner and creative designer of A. Shepherd Photography, also known as Ballpix. You're watching Devin's Motorsport Talk on YouTube.
Hey everyone, my name's Lisa Whiteman of LED Riding Co. and the 1,000 Mile Challenge out of New Brunswick, and you're watching Devin's Motorsports Talk.
Monster Jam is getting a movie. What do we know? It will star Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. It's being made by Disney, and it will be a film about monster trucks, their drivers, and the culture of the sport. What does this mean for Monster Jam's future? I don't know. But it's definitely exciting that it's being made by the Harrison Bears. Now, Falk Entertainment, which owns Monster Jam, does also run Disney on Ice, so there is a previous partnership there, which is nice. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. There's been no update in the last 24 hours, but if anything new comes out, this video will be updated. Thank you for watching.